these larger grants that I've received that have been incredibly helpful, all through the Ohio Environmental Education Fund, which is administered by the Ohio Environmental Protection Agency. The goal was to get materials that we would need to engage students in authentic research experiences with local ecosystems. And so that allowed us to expand a project that we're really working on pretty hard right now that involves studying Lyme disease and blackleg tick populations in Ohio.
These projects have been great to be able to go out and actually apply what we learned in the classroom to outside. And that's kind of been really cool and different. We've
made a lot of great educational experiences across a lot of grade levels and out into our community thanks to the OEEF funds.
And also the studies have helped us see how real science works.
I would encourage people to definitely do more with environmental education, and this is one great funding source that's been super helpful for us.